Hello everyone, I'm Kshama Kulkarni from MIT College, Aurangabad, BAM University. I'm going to tell you about data structures, the basic of data structures. So let us move on to the subject. Learning objectives of data structures. What is data structures? Types of data structures and operations being performed on data structures. So let us have a brief introduction about data structures. What is meant by data structure is? Let us take an example of a room. In our room, there are multiple things, but scattered in a different way or scattered everywhere. But if we place the things in a proper way, so we can get the things in a proper time and easily. Same about the memory also. If we place the data in a proper way, so that it can be retrieved very fastly and quickly. That is called as data structures. The logical way of storing the data, and it also defines the method how to retrieve that data. Types of data structures. Linear and non-linear. So what is linear data type and non-linear data type? Linear data type means in the form of sequential list. Sequentially placed. A linear data structure traverses the data element sequentially in which only one data element can directly reach. What is meant by non-linear data type means? Items are not arranged in sequential order. Every data item is attached to several other data items in a way that is specific for reflecting relationship. What are the operations being performed on data structures? Traversing, searching, insertion, and deletion. What is meant by traversing then? Accessing a record exactly once. Each and every data is accessed every time once, so that certain items in a record may be processed. Searching. Suppose you want to find a particular item, a particular data type, then we can find with the help of a key, value, and search it. What is insertion? In a particular record, you want to add a data item in, and you can use the function as insert. Add a new record to the structure. What is meant by deletion? Remove the record from the structure. Suppose you want to remove a particular record or field from the structure, you can use the function as delete. In this video, we are going to focus on linear data types. So let us check it one by one. Array, stack, queue, and linked list. First is array. Now what is array? An array is a collection of homogeneous types of data elements, or simply we can say it as a collection of data elements. It allows users to store multiple values in a single variable. It is stored in a contiguous form in the memory. This is how the array is represented. Suppose I have taken a variable of character value and I am placing 5 elements named as A, B, C, D, and E, and will be numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What are the operations being performed on array? Traversing, as I told you, insertion, deletion, searching, sorting, and merging. So let us move on. Stack. What is stack? A stack is a collection of elements in which an element may be inserted or deleted at one end, which is known as the top of the stack. It works on last in first out manner. What is last in first out? Whatever element is inserted lastly will be kicked out first. What are the operations on stack? Push and pop. So let us have an example. Representation of stack. Suppose I am inserting 5 numbered elements into the stack and numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Insertion process of elements is called as a push element. Suppose a 5th element can be inserted by using a push operation. Here I am inserting the 5th element. On the top of the side, the fifth element is there. How to remove the elements from the top stack now? I have to again go to top and remove the last element, the top of the element. Here I am removing the fifth element which is in the top, and this operation is called as pop. So what is queue? A collection of items in a linear way. A queue is a linear list of elements in which insertion is done at one end, which is known as front end, and the deletion is done at the other end, known as rear end. Works on the first in first out manner. What is meant first in first out? Whatever thing or the data is inserted in the first time, it will be deleted firstly. What are the operations on the queue? Insertion and deletion. So this is the example of queue. Front end and rear end are shown in the slide. So suppose take an example in which I have inserted 3 elements, 1, 2 and 3. From front end I am inserting the elements one by one, and if I want to remove the elements from the queue, then I will remove it from the rear end. I have inserted 3 elements, and if I want to continue for the 4th element, I will insert the element by using the insert function at the front end. And if I want to remove the elements from the queue, then I will use the rear end and I will remove the first item first. Okay. What is linked list? Linked list is a linear collection of data elements. It has 2 parts. One is info and the other is link part. And collectively it is called as a node. Information part gives the information about data. Data may be in the form of integer, character or string. And the link part gives the address of the next node. So let us have an example. So there are 3 nodes, node 1, 2 and 3. And the node is separated by 2 parts, that is data part and link part. Data part will contain the data and the link part will contain the address of the next node, that is node 2. And these are connected by using the pointers. So what are the operations being performed on linked list? Traversing, searching, insertion and deletion. Thank you.